10 simple skin and beauty tips. You can start today. Follow the CTM routine. Cleanse, tone, moisturize twice a day for clear, balanced skin. Never sleep with makeup on. It clogs pores and leads to breakouts and dullness. Use a silk pillowcase. Reduces friction, prevents wrinkles and hair breakage. Exfoliate 1-2 times a week. Removes dead skin and boosts glow, but don't overdo it. Apply skincare on damp skin. Products absorb better and lock in moisture. Don't skip your neck and hands. They show signs of aging early. Treat them like your face. Use vitamin C in the morning. Brightens skin, evens tone, and protects from free radicals. Change pillowcases regularly. Bacteria and oil buildup can irritate skin. Stay consistent with your routine. Results take time. Stick with your routine at least 6-8 weeks. Confidence is your best glow. Healthy skin takes care, not perfection. Embrace your natural beauty. Double tap for more.